Well students, topic of the video is binomial theorem. This is your first lecture. Here a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Formula of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So students, you see that here power is 2 and number of term is 3. Here power is 3 and number of term is 4. So total number of terms is just more than 1 from the power of the term. And here it is binomial theorem. Why it is binomial theorem? Because there is 2 terms, first and second. So by this formula or using mathematical induction, formula of binomial theorem is a plus x whole to the power n. That means there exists n plus 1 number of terms, and this one equals to nc0 a to the power n minus 0 xc0 x to the power 0, nc1 a to the power n minus 1 x to the power 1, nc2 a to the power n minus 2 x square plus dot dot ncn a to the power n minus n x to the power n. For remember nc0, so n minus 0 is power of first term and 0 power of second. nc1 n minus 1 is power of first term and this one is power of second term. nc2 n minus 2 is power of first term and this 2 is power of second term similarly. So this one is first term, this one is second term, this one is third term, so this one is n plus 1th term. Now you see that in first term we use here 0, in second term we use here 1, in third term we use here 2. So in n plus 1th term we use n. So t of r plus 1. R plus 1 is any term within the binomial theorem. nc t of r plus 1. Here for 2 here we use 1. For r plus 1 we use here r. So ncr a to the power n minus r x to the power r. Now we discuss what is NCR. Now NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here n is greater than equals to r. As for example 10c3. What is 10c3? 10 factorial by 10 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now 10 factorial is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. And in the denominator there is 7 factorial. So we write up to 7 factorial for cancellation. And 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. By cancellation these two. 4th is 12. This is 120. Now what is n factorial? N factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot dot 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. For 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4th is 12, 12 to the 24. Now here n is belongs to n. Sometimes here n is belongs to n, but 1 factorial equals to 1, this is mathematical relation, and 0 factorial equals to 1, this is axiom. We assume here x 0 factorial equals to 1, but 1 factorial equals to 1, this is mathematical relation. What is axiom? For axiom is a part of mathematics in which we assume some relation for our advantage. Now NC1 equals to n, NC0 equals to 1, NC2 equals to n into n minus 1 by 2, NC3 equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Now NCR equals to NC n minus r. By using this property NC n minus 1, this one equals to NC1, this one equals to n, NC n minus 2, this one equals to NC2, this one equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. There exist few more properties on NCR. Now next formulas are NCR by NCR minus 1 equals to n minus r plus 1 by r. Second formula is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. Third formula, if NCP equal NCQ, that implies either P equal to Q or P plus Q equals to N. Fourth one is NC0 plus NC1 plus dot dot NCN equal to the power n. By this we can write NC1 NC2 plus dot dot NCN equal to the power n minus 1. As for example, 6C0 plus 6C1 plus dot dot 6C6 equal to the power 6. So 6C1 6C2 plus dot dot 6C6 to the power 6 minus 1. 2 to the power 6 is 32. 32 minus 2 to the power 6 is 64. 64 minus 1. This one is 63. Now by this formula, NC0 plus NC2 plus dot dot NC1 plus NC3 plus dot dot equals to 2 to the power n by 2. So 2 to the power n minus 1. These all formulas we have to use in binomial theorem to find expanding of binomial theorem. Next is middle term. If for a plus x whole to the power n, if n is even, then midterm equals to n by 2 plus 1th term. If n is odd, then middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now rth term from the end. For an expansion, rth term from the end is equals to n minus r plus 2th term. For an example, if a plus x whole to the power 8. Now we have to find third term from the end. So third term from the end, that means there is power is 8. So total number of term is 9. So 9, 8, 7th. Seventh term is third term from the end. By using this formula, we can write 8 minus 3 plus 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 7. Seventh term from first. Okay. So there is total formulas on binomial theorem. In the next video on this topic, we discuss sums on binomial theorem.